In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom words in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're adding industry-specific jargon, names, or any other unique terms, knowing how to expand your dictionary in PowerPoint can be a real time saver and help maintain the flow of your work. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft PowerPoint on your desktop. You can find the shortcut on your desktop, Start menu, or Search bar, depending on your version of Windows. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll need to decide if you want to work on an existing presentation or start a new one. Either way is fine. Just ensure that you have a suitable canvas where you can start typing and experimenting with custom words. Within your presentation, feel free to add your photos, tables, and other content to get a real sense of your document's flow and context. Now, as you type, you might notice that some of your words are underlined in red. This indicates that PowerPoint's spell checker doesn't recognize the word. This often happens with names, technical terms, or newly coined phrases you might be using. Don't worry, this is exactly what we're here to fix. When you see a word with the red underline, right-click on that word. This action will open a context menu right next to your highlighted term. In this menu, you are going to see several options, including possible corrections and the chance to ignore the word. But importantly for us, there will be an option that says Add to Dictionary. When you select Add to Dictionary, PowerPoint will recognize this word as correctly spelled in all future documents. This step ensures that from now on, this word will not be underlined in red, allowing you to type it freely without interruptions. A tip to make this process easier is to double-check the spelling of the word before you add it to your dictionary. Since this addition is permanent for your PowerPoint spell checker, ensuring the correct spelling beforehand can save you time from having to remove it later if there's a mistake. And just like that, you've added your custom word. Feel free to repeat this process with any other terms that PowerPoint flags as incorrect, but are correct in your context. This small but mighty feature allows PowerPoint to fit more seamlessly into your unique workflows, and it expands the program's versatility to accommodate your specific language needs. Remember, maintaining a presentation without unnecessary distractions boosts professionalism and clarity, making these small adjustments well worth your time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional PowerPoint tips and tricks.